Hello fellow YouTubers. Ordered these online. They came in today. The reason behind the order these calipers, the one on the driver's side on the back is sticking. And sometimes releases, sometimes it don't, but talked to my mechanic, even though I had the emergency brake lever fixed, unseized, I thought that was sticking, but as I was talking to him about it, he says my caliper is sticking. Where the truck is 8 years old now. It's 2015. Today is 2024. So the truck's getting old. So instead of replacing just one, I decided to do both sides and back. And I got my two rotors. And when I got the struts put on and back, shocks, so it's right, the shocks put on, I decided to get the struts. As you can see them, kind of hard. We're in the shade. There they are. The struts for the truck in front. So they're going to be put on this week on Monday. I tried to get my nuts off on the lug nut wheels, but I always have one stubborn one on my truck. You know, they got the metal sheathings over top of the lug nuts. Well, there's my impact gun, electric one. I get them all except for one. And one did not want to work, so I used brute strength using this sucker here, bar, and used one of the sockets in this, and she kept turning. So I had to call him up, and he's gonna put these on for me, and these, and all that on Monday. But and maybe in the future I'll probably have to replace the front ones too, because they don't look too healthy either. But the only thing is, I didn't get the sleeves that go in here with these. So anyway, thought I'd do a short video of what I got. And like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Take her easy. Ciao.